Hello, and welcome to this episode of Command Line Basics for Linux. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the use of the grep command. Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print, and it's a tool used to search a string of characters in a specified file. When it finds a match, it prints the line with the results. Prior to executing the command, let's review the help reference. To do so, we type in grep dash dash help, and we'll pipe this through more. Here you see it provides the name of the command, brief description of the command, as well as any options available to execute with the command. To begin, let's review the contents of the documents directory by typing in ls-la. Here you see there's 4 files named file 1, 2, 3, and 4. And all files contain the word test or some form of the word test. In our first example, let's search file 2 for the word test by typing in grep test file 2.txt. And here you see it displays the results. Today is testing day. Now, we can search multiple files at once by typing in grep test file 2 and file 3. And it returns the results. Today is testing day, and the results of your tests are. Another method of searching all files in the directory is by typing in grep test and the wildcard asterisk. And the results are returned. So it's important to note that grep is case sensitive. So to to ignore case, you would type in grep dash I, the word. In this case, we'll do the wildcard to include all files. And as you notice, files 1, 2, 3, and 4 now appeared. File 1 was missing because if you notice, test is spelt with a capital T, which is why it was ignored in the previous searches. So we can search on whole words only. So only words that are contain test. To do so, type in grep dash W I to ignore case, test, and the wildcard. And here you can see it just returns files 1 and 3 because they're the only files that contain the actual whole word test, whether it's capitalized or non-capitalized. Now, in our next example, we can search directories and subdirectories recursively by typing in grep-r test star. And what this did is it searched this directory for any files that contain the word test or form of test. And if you want to exclude lines that contain a word, such as hello, we can do an inverse search by typing in grep -v I hello star. And it ignored all the words or all the files that contain the word hello. If you don't want to see the results, you just want to know what files contain a particular word, you can do so by typing in grep-l test star. And here you see it indicates files 2, 3, and 4 contain the word test or some form of the word test. And you can also count the number of matches by typing in grep with the C modifier, test, and the wildcard asterisk. And it tells you that the file 1 has 0. That's because it is case sensitive and we did not ignore the case. File 2 has 1, file 3 has 1, file 4 has 1, and myscript.sh has 0. And that, my friends, is all there is to the grep command in Linux. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.